The Bear and the Moon. Words by Matthew Burges. Pictures by Caria Chien. Opening his eyes after a long snooze, the bear saw a red dot in the blue sky. The closer it floated, the bigger and rounder and redder the dot became, until it was no longer a dot at all. It was a red as berry and round like the moon, with a long silver string drifting briskly in the breeze. Curious, the bear went to investigate. First, he tried to catch the string between his teeth, but when it floated out of his reach, he climbed onto a boulder and stood on his two hinged legs, balancing. Uh-oh! The bear wobbled, slipped, and tumbled into a furry puddle. Poor bear! But then it drifted nearer and nearer. There! Suddenly the bear felt lighter than air. When he walked, it walked. When he danced, it danced. And when dinner time arrived, he tied the silver string to a stone. The bear enjoyed the quiet company while he ate beside the creek. And when evening became night, it glowed softly in the moonlight. The next morning, the bear gave it a tour of his whereabouts. Here is the tree I can climb to find honey. Here is where I curl into a ball and roll down the hill. And this is a spot where I sit on the pot. All the while, the floating red thing smiled back at him like a friend. It dripped and breezed and bumped against the bear's cheek. What a nice thing! What a wonderful thing! What a squishable, huggable thing! Uh-oh. The bear stared at the red teeter dangling on the silver string. He thought, maybe I can fix it. He tried stretching it. He tried throwing it back up into the sky. He tried closing his eyes and dancing with the string in his hand, just as they had danced before, but nothing brought it back. The sky had sent him a gift, a friend, a small red moon, and now it was gone. Bad bear, he thought, bad bear. Night fell, but the bear skipped his dinner. With a heavy heart, he listened to the water rush over the rocks in the creek and gazed up at the stars. When suddenly the full moon rose from behind two mountains. It reached down to him and gently stroked his fur. Quietly, the moon was speaking to the bear, and the bear understood. Good bear, kind bear, don't worry, bear. Blanked in the moonlight, the bear remembered the small dot that grew and grew and grew into a red round friend, drifting brightly in the breeze. It was gone now, but as he dozed off to sleep, he held the memory on a silver string, and in his dreams they danced again.